In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Butler automation in Trello. 5 minutes. Butler is Trello's built-in automation tool that removes repetitive work from your boards. You create a simple rule made of a trigger and one or more actions, and Trello does the rest. Let's walk through creating your first rule from start to finish. First, sign in to Trello. Make sure you're using an account with permission to create automations on the board you'll be working in. Once you're in, open the board where you want the automation to live. It's best to pick a board where you already have lists and cards that match the workflow you want to streamline. At the top of your board, click Automation. This opens the Butler controls. From here, choose Rules. Rules are the most approachable way to get started because they run instantly in response to specific events on your board. Next, click Create Automation to start a new rule. You'll see the builder with a place to add a trigger and then one or more actions. Begin by clicking Add Trigger. For this example, choose something clear and useful like when a card is added to the list, Ideas by me. That means the rule will only run when you personally add a card to the ideas list, keeping it intentional and easy to test. Once you've selected it, click the blue plus button to add the trigger to your rule. You should now see the trigger listed at the top of the builder. Now it's time to decide what should happen. Select the action you want to perform. You have a lot of choices here. Move the card to another list, add a label, set a due date, post a comment, add a checklist, or even assign the card to a teammate. Pick the first action and then click the blue plus button to add it. If you want to build a small workflow, keep selecting additional actions and click the blue plus for each one. Butler will run these in the order they appear, so think about the sequence that makes the most sense, like labeling a card before moving it. When everything looks right, click the Save button at the top to activate your new rule. From now on, whenever the trigger condition is met, Butler will run your actions automatically on that board. Keep your triggers specific to avoid unintended runs, and keep actions focused so your rule is fast and reliable. That's it. You've created a Trello Butler rule that saves you clicks and keeps your process consistent.